Are you tired of trying countless ab exercises that just don't seem to make a dent in that belly bulge? Do you find yourself feeling frustrated and demotivated because you're not seeing the results you want? Well, worry not. The plank is here to rescue you. The plank engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including your abdominals, obliques, and lower back. This means faster and more efficient fat burning. But did you know there are different types of planks that can target your belly fat even more effectively? Let's dive into some of these variations. Dynamic plank. This exercise takes your planking to a whole new level by adding dynamic motion to the static contraction. You start in a plank position and then add dynamic motion at your hips and at your shoulders. This works your core muscles better than static planks. Plank bicep tap. Assume the plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. While maintaining a stable core, lift one hand off the ground. Tap your opposite bicep. Alternate sides, focusing on keeping your hips level and your core engaged. This exercise not only strengthens your core, but also targets your arms, giving you a double dose of toning goodness. Toe tap plank. Begin in a plank position with your feet hip-width apart, keeping your core tight and your body stable, alternate tapping your toes out to the side. This dynamic movement elevates your heart rate, torches calories, and works your obliques for a sleeker waistline. Side plank. Prop yourself up on your left forearm, forming a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core and lift your hips off the ground, creating a side plank position. Hold for as long as you can, focusing on maintaining proper form and breathing steadily. This exercise not only targets your obliques but also improves stability and balance. Reverse plank. Sit on the ground with your legs extended in front of you and your hands placed slightly behind your hips, fingers pointing towards your feet. Lift your hips off the ground, creating a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core and hold this position, feeling the burn in your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. This underrated exercise improves posture, strengthens the posterior chain, and tones your entire body. Remember, it's important to maintain proper form during these exercises to prevent injury and maximize effectiveness.